Okay, this is at idle with the regular size pulley for the new alternator. You can hear it's making noises because it's spinning too slow. Here's my funky ass ground wire. I have it coming over here. Here are the old wires for the alternator. Here's the 6-gauge wire. Follow it around. And here's the other wire. The 12-gauge goes around here, kind of with the loom. And you can see it's plugged in here where the old one came off. Whoa! And then the 6-gauge wire comes over here to the starter relay. There we go. Here's the battery tender I put in while my other alternator was dead. And I just plug it in with that. Don't need to do that anymore except when I park it for a while. That's that. I'll go turn on the light so you can see it pulsing. Woof. And then the pulsing and the sound goes away around 2,000 RPM. Or not. There, 3,000. My mistake. So even the smaller pulley will probably not reduce it by a whole lot. There we go, 3,400, 3,500. Let's see what it starts doing that again when I back it off. There we go, right around 2,400 or so.